the basic concept. Okay, so what is the SQL? First of all, what is the SQL? SQL means structured query language. SQL means structured query language. S means structured, Q means query, L means language. So SQL is a structured query language and is standard relational language that is supported by just about every database product. All database professionals should know how to write, troubleshoot, and optimize the SQL. In this course, we will start the basics of SQL, such as how to retrieve the data and manipulate the data. Then we will move to the more advanced topics, such as how to create the table, how to insert the data into the table, and how views like that. What are the most advanced topics? Right? Those topics also we will cover in this course. Uh, in this course, once you are completed this course, right, you should be on your way to becoming a proficient in writing and executing and optimizing the SQL, right? So, okay, this is the SQL, our course. Is there any prerequisites are required for this course? You have a question, right? Is there any prerequisites are required? There is no prerequisite for this course. You should be able to easily understand this tutorial and learn the basic concepts of SQL as this progress the most advanced topics also. Okay. So first of all, what is the SQL? The SQL is a structured query language. So in this course, what are the contents? I will explain what are the contents in this course, right? The course contents are SQL query types. What are the query types here for the SQL? The SQL query types like select statement, select limit, select top, insert, update, delete, like this. Okay, so these query types I will explain. And SQL comparison operators. What are the SQL comparison operators? Comparison operators is nothing but equal operator, not equal, greater than, or less than, like that. I will explain each and every topic in brief also. In the coming next slides, I will explain each and every topic also. This is just an introduction only. This class is for only introduction. What are the contents we will discuss in this course? I will explain this. Okay. And next one is the joins. What are the joins we have? Inner join, outer join, like that. What are the outer joins? Left outer join, right outer join. Those things also we will cover in this course. And aliases, SQL. And next topic is the SQL aliases. What is the aliases? So here, for example, if we have one table, right, that table we can rename. That is called as aliases. Not only the table, we can rename the column name also. We can rename the column name or the table name. That is called aliases. By using the SQL aliases, we can rename the column name or table name. And next one is the SQL classes. Okay, next one is the SQL classes. One second, one second. Okay, sorry. So what is the first SQL aliases means we can alias is the column name or table name, right? Next one is the SQL classes. So what are the classes in a SQL? So distinct class, from class, where class, like this. What is the main functions for the distinct, where, and from, like this? The distinct class means unique class, and where class means the conditions we are applying. And from class means it is the combination of tables and joining information like that we'll provide in the classes. And next one is the functions. So what are the functions in SQL? So we know that sum function, count function, average function, minimum, average, maximum, like this. This, then we'll go to this one. Okay, that is the functions and the conditions. What are the conditions? The conditions are what is the condition? This is the condition. What are the conditions? The conditions nothing but and condition, or condition, not condition, like that, and or condition. So we'll explain that these conditions also. And next one is the SQL tables and views. What are the tables and views? Here, how to create the table, how to insert the data into the table, like the topics we will cover in this SQL tables and views. How to create the view also. And next one is the SQL keys, constraints, and indexes. So what is the SQL keys, constraints, and indexes is nothing but we'll cover this in this course, the primary key and indexes, foreign key, like this topics we'll cover in that. And next one is the SQL data types. What are the SQL data types means? So different data types are available. We know already. What are the data types? String data type, integer, and character data type. Okay. So timestamp. Okay, date data type. Several types of data types will cover in this SQL also. And next one is the SQL programming. How to write the programming and commit section, like these topics also we will cover in this course. Okay, so we'll cover all these things. Okay, so what are the first one is the SQL query types, comparison operators, joins, aliases, classes, functions, conditions, and table and views, keys, constraints, indexes, data types, and SQL programming. So coming to the next one, SQL query types. The first topic is the SQL query types. So what are the SQL query types? In these query types, what are the concepts we will cover in this SQL query types is nothing but select statement. What is the select statement? By using this select statement, we can retrieve the all records. We can retrieve the records in a particular table. For example, if we have the table name called employees. So in this employees table, we have the details like employer ID, employee first name, last name, and employee salary, joining date, height, like this information we have. So select star from when we query the table for the employees, right? Select star from employees, nothing but then we will provide the retrieve all the records from the employee table. We'll get the data. Select, second one is the select limit statement. What is the select limit statement? So here in this limit statement means the limit means we can limit the data. So when we select star from employees means we will get the entire data, but by using the select limit statement, we can limit that particular records. I will explain this case also. And next one is the select top statement. Next one is the select top statement. So by using the select top statement, we can select the records for the top five rows. We need only 5 records, right? Select top 5 means top 5, or select top 100 means top 100, like that. Okay, and then we get the data. Next one is the insert statement. What is the insert statement? Insert statements means by using the insert statement, we can insert the records into a table. We can insert the records into a table. Next one is the update statement. What is the main function of update statement? We can update the records. We can update the records. Next one is the delete statement. What is the main function of delete statement means? We suppose, for example, if the table having the 10 records, we need only 9 records, then we can delete a particular record, means we can delete by using the delete statement. So by using the delete statement, we can delete the records from a table. Truncate table. So truncate table, delete statement, both are same. But when you using the truncate table, right, we can't roll back. We can't roll back. So both are using for the delete functions only. But we can't roll back by using the truncate table statement. So this is also the we delete the all records from the table, but we cannot roll back by using the truncate table statement. Next one is the union operator. First one is second one, next one is the union operator. What is the union operator? So here union means, you know that union means combination. That means that combine the two result sets. That means that combine the two tables data. Combine the two tables data. So here in this union operator, we didn't get the duplicate data. The advantage of union operator is we didn't get the duplicate data. For example, table 1 and table 2, we are considered the two tables, table 1 and table 2. These two tables having the common data in the first row. By using the union operator, we didn't get the duplicate records. Just we will consider the table 1 record or table 2 record. Only one record will consider. Okay. And union, next one is the union all operator. What is the union all operator? Here, by using the union all operator, we can get the, it combines the two table data, but we'll get the duplicate data also. So that is the main difference between the union operator and union all operator. The union operator, we didn't get the duplicate data, but union all operator, we get the duplicate data. Next one is the insert operator. Next one is the insert operator. So what is the main function of insert operator is nothing but we can insert the data. Sorry, this is the intersect operator. So intersect operator. Next one is the intersect operator. What is the intersect operator? The main function of intersect operator is the intersection of two result sets. Intersect operator is the intersection of two result set. These two result set intersect operation. Okay. Next one is the minus operator. What is the minus operator? Sorry. the minus operator, it provides the result set of one minus the result set of another. So we can consider the two results, then we can minus the from first one to second one or second one to first one. Then we'll get the result. The accept operator is also, we can accept some data. So what are the data we will accept, right? That information we will provide in the query set. So the result set of one minus the result set of and the same expression for the minus operator and accept operator also. Okay. Coming to the next topics. Next one is the just temperature spotlight. Okay. Next one is the comparison operator. Next one is the comparison, SQL comparison operators. So what are the SQL comparison operators? The comparison operators such as the equal operator, not equal operator, greater than operator, or less than operator. Okay, like this, not equal, not operator like this. Okay, so we know the functions for the equal, not equal, and greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, like this scenarios we will cover in this topic. Okay, coming topics we'll cover. And next one is the SQL joins. So by using the SQL joins, we can join the two or more tables. Two or more tables. Generally, we have the two types of joins that are available. Inner join, outer join. First one is the inner join. Second one is the outer join. Okay. So in this outer join also, we have left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and last one is the cross join. So generally, we have how many types of joins? Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, cross join. These five types of joins are available. Okay. These joins also we will cover. This is the most important topic. The SQL joins are most important topic. Okay. Next one is the aliases concept. The SQL aliases. So aliases means we can create the temporary name. We can create the temporary name to the table or column. So, for example, that employees table having the first name, last name, something, something data, right? For example, I would like to the employees table first name column. I would like to rename. That means that alias's name is Fn. Then by using the alias's concept, we can rename the column name. Same scenario for the table name also. In the employees table, the employees table, I can rename by using the EMP table, alias of EMP. Employees alias EMP. That is the we can rename. That is the temporary name. The alias is the main name, not a rename. The temporary name. The alias in the main name is the temporary name. We can't call entire name, the first name, alias Fn. Okay, we can represent first name FIRSTNAM. We can replace alias of Fn. Just we can first name, after that we can provide some space. We can rename as Fn. Then after the table name also, we can join the different tables. For example, employees tables, customer table, right? Employees table, inner join, customer table. So employees table, we can rename by EMP. Customer table, we can rename as CUS, like that. Okay. That is the alias concept. Sorry. Next one is the SQL. What is the concept? SQL classes. What are the SQL classes we have? There are different types of classes are there. That mainly, right? What is the first one? The distinct class. So what is the main function of a distinct class is nothing but by using the distinct class, we can retrieve the unique records. We didn't get the duplicate records. Just we get the unique records by using the distinct class. Next one is the from class. What is the main function of from class? In this from class, we will get the list of tables. What are the tables are available in that statement, and what are the tables are joined? That means that the join table information, joining information is also available. What are the joins we have? Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, cross join, like that. Mostly we are using the inner join and the left or right outer joins, something, right? Those joining table information and what are the list of tables are involved, those information available in from class only. Okay. Next one is the where class. This is the where class. So for example, if we query the employees table, that is nothing but select star from employees, we will get the employees data. But we need the employee name Mahesh. Only we need the employee last name is Mahesh. That information only we need, right? At that time, we will use the where class. That means that the filter condition we can apply by using the where class. In this scenario, we can query it like this. Select star from employees where last name is equal to Mahesh. Then we will get the last name information contains the Mahesh information only we will get. Not we will require all the data, only the last name having Mahesh only, we will get the data. That data will be available. So by using the where class, we can filter the data. Next one is the order by class. Order by class means we can, by using what is the order? Order by means we can order the data in ascending order or descending order. These two types of data will be available. That means that the sorting the data in ascending or descending order. Next one is the group by class. What is the group by class? In this group by class, we can group by one or more columns. We can group by one or more columns. Next one is the having class. So what is the having class? Here in this having class, right? Restrict the groups of written rows. What are the rows or written, right? Those rows can be restricted by using the groups. Okay. Restrict the groups of written rows, that is the having class. And coming to the next topic. What is the next topic? Functions. So what are the functions we have? What are the functions? The count function. What is the main functions of what is the main count function? Count of an expression. For example, totally count means how many available, right? Total availability. That count will be indicated in the count function. Next one is the sum function. We know the sum function, addition. Minimum function, the minimum value, it will be returned. Maximum function, the maximum value, it will be returned. Average function, the average of the particular column or particular row can be returned by using this average function. So these functions concepts also we will cover in this SQL tutorial. And next one is the conditions, SQL conditions. So what is the SQL conditions? So different types of conditions are available. And condition, or condition, and or condition, like that, right? So what is the and condition? The and condition is nothing but two conditions are satisfied. Two or more conditions are satisfied, then only it will be provides the true. We know. Or condition means any one condition can be satisfied, it will be true. And or condition means and or condition means what is the and or condition? And condition C means both conditions are satisfied. Or condition means only one condition will be satisfied. And or condition means it is the combination of and or conditions. Next one means a like condition. What is the like condition? Using the wildcards in a where class. Using wildcards in a where class. That means that, for example, we will search the particular word Mahesh, right? Select star from employees where last name equal to Mahesh. In the last query I explained, right? Like where last name like percentage m percentage. Like that we can query, then we'll get Mahesh. Like that. This is condition also I will explain. Next one. In condition. In condition means it will be alternatively or multiple or conditions will be provided. The entire data in by using in condition we will get. Okay. For example, in condition means the employee ID will be, for example, 100 to 200, right? So we need the data in 110 to 120 means select star from employees where employee ID in 110 to 120, then we will get that particular data only. That is the in condition. Not condition means negate condition. Is null condition means it will be 0 or not. Test for a null values. Is not null means test for not null values. Is null means test for null values. Is not null means test for not null values. Next one means between condition. That in between means the range. It means it includes the within a range. It will be included. Next one is the exist condition. The data will be exist or not. It will be checked by using the exist condition. Okay. Next one is the SQL tables and views. In these concepts, we will cover the create table concept, and create table means how to create the table, and create table as means, so we can create the table from create table as means we can already created table is available, the same data will be available. So that means that the create table from the another table. Okay. Alter table. What is the alter table? The alter table concept is nothing but we can adding the data or modifying the data or delete the data or rename the data like this. We can use the alter table condition. Next one, drop table means it is a deletion. And global temp table means tables that are distinct within the SQL session. Local temp table means tables that are distinct within modules and embedded SQL programs. SQL views means virtual tables, views from another tables. That means that it is the combination of two tables or three tables like that. Okay, that is the SQL views. Next one is the keys and constraints and indexes. So primary key. What is the primary key? So it is the create or drop from the primary key. The primary key is the key. It will be combination of the one or more columns. Okay. Next one is the indexes. Index is nothing but a create and drop indexes. You can create or drop index. By using the indexes, we can performance, the tuning will be available. The performance tuning will be improved. Okay. And next one is the SQL data types. What is the SQL data types means? The different types of data types are available. You know, in SQL also different types of data types are available. Those are the string data type, varchar, and integer data type. Different types of data types we will discuss in this data types concepts. And in SQL programming concept, right? In this SQL program, we will cover the commits, how to commits the SQL statement like this things we can cover. Okay, this is the overall thing for the SQL topics. So tomorrow onwards, we will start the SQL main classes. Okay, this is the overview. Just it is an overview. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, we will start our course. Tomorrow, we will start how to create the table. Okay, how to create the table concept and how to insert the data into the table concept. We will discuss. Okay, so this is a little bit confusing because today I have covered all the topics. What are the topics we will cover in this concept, right? I will discuss overview, the entire overview for in this SQL course. I will discuss to I covered today. So maybe this is a little bit difficult to you, but we will go to one by one topic, right? At that time, I will go very slowly and will teach very easily to you, and will reach very easily. Okay, don't bother about the students. So tomorrow onwards, we will start the course. Thank you. Thanks for your support. And please, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support.